This message is from Most Venerable พระมหารณภพโชติลาโภ
Venerable monks, ladies and gentlemen, friends in Dharma, I am highly honored to have the opportunity to speak about International Vesak Day, the day of birth, enlightenment, and passing to nirvana of our Buddha. After his enlightenment, he was full of grace. He taught people throughout the world. His supreme teaching have helped people attain the inner Dharma that exists in the body of every man, woman, and child. Since the beginning of human existence, by the following of the quality of the Buddha Dhamma, each of us can attain the wisdom of his teaching. Tonight, the Buddhist community had come together to recall his great benevolence, venerating him, who is free from defilement, to lead us to follow his virtual way. We will free, joyous, warm, skill, and enlightenment in our merit without fear of spite or harm. Our mind will be clear. We will love ourselves and all others around us. We will embrace righteous thought, eloquent speech, and good deeds, like the sun which spreads its brightness throughout the universe. Dhamma will extend the peace that everyone is seeking throughout the world. Once again, I'm honored to be part of the International Vesak Day of the Buddha Enlightenment. May the excellence of his virtue bring you ultimate peace and happiness. Thank you.
The Deputy Abbot of Wat Prathamakaya, London, and the Assistant Director of Foreign Affairs, Dhammakaya Foundation. 此祝福来自泰国法身寺国际部助理部长、伦敦法身寺副住持พระมหารณภพโชติลาโภ。各位法师、先生、女士和佛友们好，本人非常荣幸有机会在此次的国际卫赛节发言。因为卫赛贵为佛陀诞生、成道和入涅盘的纪念日。佛陀福德具足，成道之后广度众生。世尊无上慈悲，指引每一个人，无论男众、女众或孩童，正入内在的佛法，与生俱来，潜伏于每个人内在的佛法。依照佛法修行，我们可以证悟世尊的殊胜智慧。各众佛教弟子今晚聚会于此，意念世尊伟大的恩泽，尊崇佛陀，一位脱离烦恼染污的尊者，引导我们追随圣道。有了佛法的滋润，我们会感觉喜悦、温暖、安稳，在动乱之下也能够感觉法喜于自己的修行，内心清净，自爱爱他之心洋溢，实修正思维、正语和正业，如太阳散播光芒，照耀宇宙一般，万丈佛法之光将赐予世人渴望的祥和。本人再次感谢主办单位的邀请，深感荣幸参与今晚的盛举年度国际卫赛节。愿世尊优越的恩德赐予大家祥和与幸福。
This message from Most Venerable B. Sri Saranankala Nayaka Mahathero, Chief of Central Sri Lanka Buddhist Temple, Chief Judicial Monk of Malaysia. 此祝福来自最尊贵的 B. Sri Saranankala Nayaka Mahathero sent to 斯里兰卡佛寺院长、马来西亚首席司法僧。
Brothers and sisters in Dhamma, the greeting from Malaysia. International Buddha Day Promotion Association in Taiwan. Another year you're organizing joint Vesak program. Another year to commemorate such an important day. Vesak is a day for the Buddhists. It's very important. Awakening one, enlightened Buddha, give the peaceful message to the whole mankind. After immediate enlightenment, Buddha give the great message without uttering single word. The message is very clear. The gratitude and appreciation. Many of people might think first sermon is Dhammacakka. Before Dhammacakka, Buddha given under the Bodh tree. That particular message to the whole mankind. The gratitude is important. Appreciation very important. The Vesak day, we should appreciate each and every one of your great contribution one way or another. We should appreciate our fellow human being. Whatever religious background is not important. The great metta loving kindness you should radiate to all mankind. Being the Buddhist, we can practice such a noble thought within our own mind, our own heart. Buddhism is nothing else developing inner virtues, inner qualities. The great wisdom will come through your own practices, not the rites and rituals. In Taiwan, I've seen uniqueness in Taiwan. Not many countries we can't see it, that particular three tradition practicing jointly organizing this particular program. Mahayana school, Vajrayana school, and the Theravada school. That the wonderful spirit in Taiwan maintaining. You can't see many part of the world, this uniqueness among Buddhist community. Brothers and sisters, uphold the great unity among fellow Buddhists as well as for the fellow other human beings. Highly appreciated, Most Venerable Panjananda mentioned to me this organization as well as for these activities, you're supposed to have it physically, but we are unable to this situation to do it, but still you're able to hold it online to be benefit to the more people. I wish wonderful wishes each and every one of your great achievement of such an important day. Lead to this noble, peaceful path to attain final salvation, Nibbana or Nirvana. I have highly appreciated each and every one of your hard work, such a meaningful thing to organize, to reach out each and every fellow Buddhist members as well as for the other mankind. Thank you very much.
各位法友们，大家好，这是来自马来西亚的祝福，很开心。今年再一次的由台湾国际佛诞推广协会举办1年1度的卫赛节庆典活动，来缅怀及纪念佛陀。卫赛节对于佛教徒来说是非常重要的一天，是值得感恩纪念的日子。佛陀在开悟后还没有转法轮之前，7天之内都面向着菩提树，没有说任何一句话，而是看着菩提树，感念回馈菩提树。这是佛陀开悟后做的第一件事，也是给众生的第一个法，这是很重要的一个讯息。回馈感恩的心是很重要的，在卫赛节这个重要日子里， 我们也是要心怀感恩回馈的心来纪念佛陀。不管是哪一个宗教教理，来自不同的传统文化背景，人们都会尊敬这感恩的法，用慈悲的心来互相感恩。大智慧是在自己的实践中实现，而不是权力和仪式。在台湾，我们会看到一个很奇妙又非常好的一个特色，就是由汉传、南传、藏传三传佛教一起来举办卫赛节这样有意义的活动，大家互相配合来修行，一起举办活动，这样的一个特色，在其他国家是不容易看到的。各位法友们，继续加油！为了做好这样有意义的活动，也是为了全世界所有人们的利益。特别欢喜，也特别感谢尊贵的明高法师邀请我代表南传佛教来说几句话，及祝福国际卫赛节活动。当然，我们可以出席活动的话是最好不过的，但是现在疫情严峻，我们没办法一起出席活动。但是我们还是可以在网络上利用视讯来跟大家一起庆祝佛诞，也是为了让更多人参加，更多人受到利益。在此预祝活动顺利圆满，以感恩的心来过佛诞节，让佛教能够弘扬到全世界。感谢三传佛教能举办这样一个有意义的活动，祝福大家平安吉祥，智慧圆满，一切顺利。